Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. This right here is the previous glue gun holder that I have made years ago, about 2 years ago. As you can see, this thing has been through some things. Like, look at all of that, y'all. Like, that's really, really bad. This thing looks terrible. Terrible. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate this. I believe what I used to make this was a cutting board that I got from Dollar Tree. All I did was wrap it up in some contact paper that I also purchased from Dollar Tree, which is the same thing I'm going to do now. This is the contact paper that I have. I've had this for years as well. Got this from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead, unwrap this, and then pretty much wrap it back up. Alright, so now only thing I have is a piece of cardboard that I pretty much just cut off of a box. This is what I'm going to use to put, I've got 2 glue guns, and I've also got my wood burning tool. I want to be able to put all 3 of these here. Hopefully I will. So pretty much what I still don't know how I'm going to do this. I think what I'm going to do is just fold this in half. Alright, so now that I have it folded in half, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cover it with the same contact paper. And I'm thinking, should I go ahead and cut out the I'm going to go ahead and cut out the sections as well. Alright you guys, so this is my completed look. This is what it looks like. Let's see if it actually fits everything that I needed to fit. And then let me try my big one. Yeah, it fits everything. And then my glue sticks go right in there. You guys, that fits and works perfect. Perfect. All 3 of my tools are going to have somewhere to go. So if you have questions at all about this craft, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.